Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an online store on Wix from start to finish in 2025. Whether you are selling products, digital downloads, or services, Wix makes it super easy to set up your online store. Let's dive let's dive in and get your store live. First things first, head over to wix.com and sign up for an account. If you haven't already, you can use your Google or Facebook account to quickly log in. Once logged in, you will be asked to choose a template. Wix has a wide variety of e-commerce templates, perfect for showcasing your products. Simply go to the template section and select online store category. Studio template, search for e-commerce e-commerce, then enter, then select templates and click edit to start customizing. Now that your template is open in the Wix editor, let's start customizing. The Wix editor makes it super easy to change things like text. Click on any text box to edit product name, like hoodie, add media, then select your hoodie image, replace stock images with your own products by clicking on upload image or upload media, then upload from your computer. You can change color scheme to match your branding. Click on design, in the menu and select color. Edit text. From here, select color like that. Take your time adjusting the layout to match your brand's style. Make sure the product images are the focal point, as they will be the main attraction for your customers. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to add your products. In the Wix editor, go to the Store tab. In the left hand menu, click Store, and click Add Product. Here you can Add physical products like clothing, gadgets, or jewelry, as well as digital products like an ebook. For example, for each product, you will need to add product name, description, price, images, inventory. Now let's set up how we will get paid. Here, head to the settings tab from here, dashboard. Then go to payments, business information, and add your product from here. You can choose from a variety of payment options like Wix payments, PayPal, Stripe, credit or credit card payments, etc. And just like that. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.